Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by committing to immediate, practical changes. Remove the apps that steal your attention and keep only essentials. Once done, set a concrete daily target. For example, 2 hours total or strict app limits, so you can measure progress. Make sure to enable grayscale and do not disturb, and turn off non-essential notifications to reduce triggers. This reduces dopamine hits and creates friction. You'll notice urges drop when the phone is less stimulating, and interruptions are minimized. Now you build structure around the goal. Schedule phone-free blocks for mornings, meals, and the last hour before bed so your brain learns new routines. Once you replace automatic scrolling with concrete alternatives, a short walk, a book chapter, or a real conversation, cravings lose power because you're satisfying the underlying need for stimulation or connection. Make sure to set app timers and use a physical alarm clock while charging your phone outside the bedroom. This prevents night checks and reinforces the finish by turning short-term changes into sustainable practice. Track usage weekly and celebrate small wins so motivation stays high. If you slip back into old patterns, don't shame yourself. Analyze the trigger, boredom, stress, social pressure, and remove or reconfigure the app causing the relapse. Make sure to bring in accountability. Tell a friend your limits or use blocking tools to enforce them. This combination of feedback, adjustment, and social support keeps your new habits resilient and durable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.